In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Instagram on Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can display a specific Instagram post directly on your Shopify store. This is great for showcasing social proof, user-generated content, or a recent announcement without needing any complicated apps or coding knowledge. First, go to Instagram and find the post you want to embed. This can be a photo, a video, or even a reel, as long as it's public. Click on the post so it opens in its own view. In the top right corner of that post, you'll see the More Options icon, which looks like 3 horizontal dots. Click on that, and a small menu will appear. From that drop-down, choose the Embed option. Instagram will then show you a pop-up with an embed code. This is a block of code that tells your Shopify site how to display that post. Highlight the entire embed code and copy it to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab and log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed at the top. On the right side of that theme, click the button to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store on the right and your sections and settings on the left. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel and find the option to add a section under the template you're working on, such as your homepage. Click Add Section, then from the list of available sections, choose Custom Liquid. This type of section lets you paste custom code safely. After adding it, you can drag this new custom liquid section up or down to place it exactly where you want the Instagram post to appear on the page. Click on the custom liquid section you just added to open its settings. You'll see a large text field. Click inside that field and paste the Instagram embed code you copied earlier. Give the preview on the right a moment to reload. Once it refreshes, you should see your Instagram post appear exactly where you placed the section. If everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This publishes your changes, so visitors to your store will now see the embedded Instagram post on that page.